Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about what we're doing right now, and more precisely why we're doing it that way. So the initial plan was to make a single application, one process that doesn't do any networking, and you can have the operator and the dispatcher running on the same exe file, or also one process. So the issue that we faced was what happens when you connect two players. Turns out it's impossible to start two game instances in one process, because they use static classes in OpenBVE, and a lot of them. So two instances will basically overwrite each other's resources in memory. So that's not a valid option. So what we ended up doing was using the Litgren framework that you had included in the project, to build a basic server, operator client, and a dispatcher client. So those the dispatch and the operator use the OpenBVE project, and the idea behind the server is that it's more like an independent instance. It only has a couple of OpenBVE API classes. So let's start first the server, because clients need to connect to it. So as you can see here, the server is started. Next up, we'll start the dispatcher's client, selecting the route, selecting the train. So what you saw here was we actually need to load up the game and send that data to the server. This is and that data contains the tracks, information about signals, information about stations, limits, and all other stuff. So you can see the client has connected here, and the world has been initialized. So the server is ready to handle other connections like operators. So starting up the operator. So when we start the operator, it still hasn't loaded again. It asks for color of the person and for his name. This form in the future will be replaced with an authentication form. So when you hit connect, you can see it from the back window. It has connected. We again have to select the exactly the same files about the of the train. So this has to be implemented also in a future task, because it will be more easier for clients to connect. So as you can see, Bob's connected. We've added also information about the cars. So here you see the cars. Let's jump to another station, so you can see it looks really well, at least in my opinion, it looks pretty how all the cars are placed on the track. Okay, so you can see all the operators here. Again, to get the data, we have signals here, so let's again show a little bit the signals. Oops. So you may probably be wondering, okay, so what's different between the previous videos and this? This is with networking, so the operator submits his data, and the game instance on the it's not a game instance on the server. It's more like the only the data that all game instances across the network share. So here you can see that when I click this port, data is being sent to the server, and from the server that data is being sent back to the client. So let's make another person, another operator. Let's go Alice. Okay, so Alice was connected to the server. We again have to select the files, and currently Bob doesn't see Alice, and Alice doesn't see Bob. Okay, so let's again reiterate the situation. We've got two running instances connected to the server, and the signals at the moment are connected from the dashboard. Oops. So as you can see there, they're synchronizing, and we've got those guys, Bob and Alice, listed here. Currently they're on top of each other, so you see only Alice's train because her train is above Bob's. So okay, so in the next video we'll probably be making the chat here, so you can right click on an operator here or here, and you get the appropriate chat window here in the bottom, and we have to figure out a way how to display it inside the game instance. So in Skype I saw that you guys wanted me to show you the emergency brake system in action. In this task that we've defined, we won't be making it. Of course we will do it in the other task that we'll have to basically compile, and again we will define our goals, and we'll make them one at a time. But for now we'll be concentrating on the stuff that we discussed in the document, so everything is correct. So that's it for this video.